welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the new videos. And if you, like me, have switches here, you just unplug them. Otherwise, you just take this off. Like that. And now we have two torque screws here. Now we just lift this up like this and just unplug it. And here is actually the wire to the analog clock. Just unplug everything here. And now to remove the screen, we have to remove this one. Now we have two torque screws down here. This trim is just popped in place. Pops out like that. Screen. Full screen out. And now to route the cables through here up to here. The easier way to do that is to snap this one out like that. It gives you more space. I will do the same with the screen cable, where we actually only need this USB cable to come down. And we connect the video cable like that. So if you don't get sound when you have connected everything like you should, go to settings, system, aux position, and put it to 3-1. That will make it choose the correct aux position on the old command. So here we have the GPS antenna splitter. This one goes to the new screen. We route that the same way as the other. and then this one goes to the old cable, and this goes back to the command. And as you can see, this is a double connector on the old one. That means we have to take things apart. Now I took out the old one from this connector. I plug it in here, just like that. Now we take this one. I'll just plug this in. This is just so you can use the OEM navigation if you like. I'll probably never use it, but now we take out this one, which is the Bluetooth. Put it back in, like that. Now we should get some antennas on the unit. It says looking for GPS signal. And there we go. So all cables have to run through this one as well. So on this white socket here, that's the aux you use. Not the one on here, and not the one here. You use this one. Which means you have to route this cable as well, all the way down here. And then you will route this inside here, in and out here. So here it is installed. I ended up routing the wires on the side, up here on the side, then up under here. So on the side here. There was no problem to get the unit in there. And you really help me out if you hit that subscribe and that like button so I can continue this channel with the content I give you. Until next time, see you. So now when we have this beautiful IWC watch with the yellow features. So I got some matching faces with 260 kilometers per hour instead of miles per hour with yellow features. So let's install that.